This video will help you find circumference and area of circles. So find the area of each circle. Remember to give the answer in terms of pi and round to the nearest tenth. So our first example. Remember, for area of a circle, the formula is pi r squared. In this case, they don't give us the radius, they give us the diameter of the circle is 18 inches. So our first step is to find the radius by multiplying the diameter by a half. So the radius is 9 inches. Now we can use our formula. It's pi times 9 squared. 9 squared is 9 times 9. So our exact answer is 81 pi, and our label would be inches squared. Now they told me to round to the nearest tenth, so I'm using my calculator, multiplying 81 by pi, and rounding to the nearest tenth. This rounds to 254 and 5/10 inches squared. Looking at part B, they don't give us a picture this time, but they tell us the radius is 7. So I start my formula, area is pi r squared. Substitute in pi times 7 squared. 7 squared, remember, means 7 times 7, so I get 49 pi units squared. Using my pi key now and rounding to the nearest tenth, it rounds to approximately 153 and 9/10 units squared. Looking at our next example, now they ask us to find the circumference. Give the answer in terms of pi and now round to the nearest hundredth. Remember, there are two formulas for circumference. There's pi d and 2 pi r. So in the first case, they give me the radius, so I would use the formula for circumference equals 2 pi r. Substitute in, so it's 2 times pi times 4.5. I would multiply the 2 and the 4.5 to get my exact answer, 9 pi inches. Now using the pi key and rounding to the nearest hundredth is approximately 28 and 27 hundredths inches. For part B, now they tell me the diameter is 1 4/10. So now I would use the formula circumference is pi d. Substitute in, I get 1 4/10 pi units for my exact answer. Using now the pi button and rounding to the nearest hundredth, this rounds to approximately 4 and 40 hundredths units. Be careful when you round that one, because when I look at what was on my calculator, it was 4.398. So that would round up to 4 and 40 hundredths units. Hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.